If palagi kang dumadaan ng Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road and nakabili ka na ng famous buko pie here in the area, the village is just right across of that famous buko pie. Today, we are going to feature one of the 8 model houses here in the village. So this is our Mariela model. It has 88 square meters lot area and roughly 94 square meters floor area. So let's start our quick house tour. Tara! So what I'm gonna share with you right now is an Italian-inspired design. So kung mapapansin nyo, ayan, may pagka-classic and somehow may pagka-old rich yung dress-up model natin. So again, this is a duplex with 88 square meters lot area and roughly 94 square meters floor area for our premium model. So yung premium design natin, as you can see, meron siyang veranda and meron siyang balcony sa gilid, while the standard design is wala. So this one serves as your living area. So tamang-tama lang yung space niya. This house and lot is perfect for 2 up to 4 family members. So we have 3 bedrooms, meron na rin tayong carport, and of course, meron tayong full toilet and bath. So etong area na to is gonna be your breakfast nook or mini bar counter. Meron tayo ditong cabinet. Ayan. Ito na yung ating pinakang kitchen area. Maliit lang siya kasi hindi naman kalakihan yung ating duplex model, pero very functional. We have a sink, stove, and range hood. Disclaimer lang sa mga viewers natin, this is a dress-up model para sa ating Mariela model. Pero upon turnover, what you will receive is a standard finish. So meron siyang basic paint, tiles, pero wala siyang gamit. Now, this area, ayan, it's a provision for your fridge. And as you can see, ayan, ample yung space natin dito sa ating toilet and bath. So, ikaw na yung bahalang mag-add ng partition para if you want ng enclosed na shower area or simply just a partition. And of course, hindi tayo mawawala ng service area. Enough lang din yung space niya. So, in this model, hanggang dito yung part ng iyong property line. So, if meron kayong laundry, this one also serves as your auxiliary or dirty kitchen. And check naman natin yung rooms natin sa second floor. So, ang ganda dito sa area na to, nagkaroon pa tayo ng rectangular shape na source ng natural sunlight. Tapos, meron pa tayong owning window sa babang part. So, check natin yung ating first bedroom here sa second floor. So, ayan. Sakto lang yung space niya. Meron tayo ditong single bed. Ito na yung vanity mo, yung cabinet. Check natin yung second bedroom. So, sa second bedroom naman natin, this one, kung mapapansin nyo, medyo malaki siya ng slight compared dun sa kabilang room. Pwede ditong double bed or kahit queen size bed. Actually, magkakasya dito. So, meron tayong windows para sa natural ventilation. Ito na yung magiging vanity mo and hindi mawala yung cabinet. Now, let's check the master bedroom. So, upon entering, meron tayo ditong storage, space for your display. Meron tayo dyan mga cabinets. Ito din. And yung vanity mo is nandito naman sa kabilang corner. So, kung makikita nyo, since it is a master bedroom, siya yung pinakamalaking space compared sa other rooms natin. And meron pa tayong access sa ating balcony. So, meron tayo ditong spacious na balcony. At hindi lang yan, meron pa tayong another balcony dito sa mismong harap ng ating property. Ayan. So, if gusto mo mapag-isa, gusto mo mag-relax, mag-work, ayan, pwede na dito. Lock mo na lang yung door mo dito sa master bedroom. So, that's the end of our house tour and i-discuss ko din sa inyo yung ating payment term and our total contract price. Tara! Before ko i-provide yung actual computation, so papakita ko lang yung pinakang facade ng ating Mariela model na duplex. So as you can see, ayan, meron tayong balcony sa harap and sa gilid for the premium model, while for the standard model, ayan siya, meron lang tayong balcony sa harap. So again, standard finish lang siya upon turnover. Papakita ko what you will get if you go with the premium model. So meron tayo ditong veranda and also carport. From your carport, meron tayong direct access going to the service area. So I am going to share with you two computation, one for the standard unit and second for our premium development. So for the standard unit, roughly 63 square meters yung kanyang floor area and 88 square meters naman yung lot area. For the total computation, that's 5,791,448 pesos. So your reservation is only 40,000 and your monthly down payment for 24 months is going to be 34,529 pesos. So the remainder, pwede mo siyang i-loan through bank financings. While if you're going to invest with our premium model, that's roughly 94 square meters floor area, 88 square meters naman yung lot area. Our total contract price is 6,403,885 pesos. So the reservation for this unit is 50,000. Ang magiging equity mo for 24 months is gonna be 37,940 pesos. So again, yung remaining balance pwede nating i-loan through bank. So pwede namang mabago yung amount depending on the down payment. So if magda-down ka ng mas malaking amount, definitely mas liliit yung magiging monthly amortization. So if you are interested to check the actual unit, feel free to message me at 63965 0759571 through iMessage, Viber, and WhatsApp. See you!